Yeah, it is a messy quarter. This quarter last year, they did $2.5 billion in net income. This quarter, they did $700 million. That's a decline. And the same thing on terms of, if you look at in terms of EPS, I mean, you're talking about pretty much in half from the same quarter of last year. It's not good. Talking about a stock, by the way, which in a month has rallied over 50% and is still probably trading at 14 times, 13 and a half times revenue, and probably 32 times next year's numbers. It's an expensive stock. Great company, expensive stocks. I'm surprised we're up in the after hours. I would have thought with this gross margins and operating margins would be lower, and I think it should be lower at some point tomorrow.
There's a lot of call to go, as Christina points out. The Q&A is just beginning. So, Dan, what do you make of this here? Would you want to be long in Nvidia, given what you think is going to happen with the markets?
No, I mean, listen, the guy just said it's a great company, great management, great products. They have tremendous headwinds. Just when you thought that maybe some of the issues that they had with the supply chains and some of their customers, then you have that export ban drop down. They think they have a workaround on a different chip here. I'll just say this about the gross margins. I mean, that is a pretty staggering miss. And when you look at Q2, they came in at 46% gross margins. Q3, the one just reported, 56. This company was averaging 66% gross margins in 2021 and all of fiscal year 2022. So the idea that they're guiding to 66% in Q4, I mean, a lot of great stuff has to happen here. So I'm a bit skeptical that, this Q4 number is achievable. And again, I mean, they just beat, wasn't a big beat by any means, but they guided down last quarter. Remember, twice last summer they guided down, or this past summer. So to me, I think visibility is probably kind of weak. I am also surprised the stock's up in the aftermarket.
Yeah, I agree. I think the gross margin is the place where I'm paying the most attention to, because I think it's going to be kind of an ongoing theme. We're going to see revenue doing a little bit better because inflation is helping, and then we're going to see gross margins and operating margins be really under pressure because of higher costs and mix. I think that's going to be consistent in semiconductors, but I think we're actually going to hear that over and over again as earnings progresses. And I think the thing to keep in mind is, so what we have is we have earnings contracting, even with a little bit of top line. We have multiples contracting. It's hard to really get enthusiastic about opportunities longer term. Yes, the comps will get easier in 2023, but we're kind of a long way off of that. So yeah, I agree. I'm not really keen at this level.